Hey guys, welcome back to Missy and Skylar. Today I'm going to be showing you my favorite fidgets. Let's get started. Okay, so my first favorite fidget is Dimple Digit. Wheel of Fortune. I just like it. I like the big bubbles. And it's a really good one too. Ooh, and I like this part.
What was the interest rate on the new one?
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. My second favorite fidget is this. I love this. It's amazing. I love the rainbow. Also 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I love this. I dropped it. And here comes a train. 10 out of 10. I love this puppet bracelet. Halo. Seconds. One. Triangle. So far I've chosen rainbow ones. My teacher needs this. She takes like the twisty hair thing and she like does her hand. I'm like, girl, you need a tangle. She would be fiddling it with it like there's no tomorrow. So, also Halo. Next one is this one. I love this one. I love this one. I love this one, but it has small holes. It has a very small hole. I'll show you.
We're gonna be celebrating. Because
Let me get
excuse
some.
me, can I have the fidget, please?
Huh?
Can I have the fidget?
Have it?
Or maybe this one. Let's go have it.
Wait, I have one just for you. You can keep. Do you want something that's like a poppet?
No, something that's like this.
Aha. This?
Oh, I've seen that in school before. So yeah. Let's go get it. I want to keep the orange one though.
Okay. The orange one. I don't like the orange one. Here you go.
Thank you.
You can keep another one.
No, I'm good. No, wait. I just mine yellow.
Okay. I don't care. Two of them. I can grow some more.
Actually, it says here, a brand new works for like
Now that I think about it, you can have this one.
Ooh, okay.
You can have all of them.
Alright. Thank you for your business.
This one. I love this one.
Oh, excuse me.
I took one of my favorites.
Oh, take it to my room. Alright, fold up table.
No, also this one. I love this one. So fun.
Okay, you better sit at that table, Preston. I don't want that bowl on the floor.
this.
Yeah, do you know what it is?
It's very pretty.
Okay, I see it.
I also really like this one. I love this one. I love these two. They're like my favorite ones. And oh yeah, I said this one. And last one is this one. Yeah, those are all my favorites. I need some more simple dimples. So I'm gonna get some more tomorrow. Well, now I need to find a new accessory. I can wear this. Nope, it's gonna wiggle out of place. Let go. I'll probably take this. But actually, no. I'll find one. Bye, guys.